is a view of the front of the school as it is now, all torn up. I am being careful watching my step, but this is our typical walkway, and I'm only getting to do this today because the workers aren't here. They will be back Monday to do this with a vengeance. This will be the new parking lot, bus loop, parent pickup and drop off. And as you can see, it is totally different. It extends the entire front. It will be interesting to see this transformation. After 14 years affiliated with Arboga, it's finally happening. And there is a lot. Just for perspective, here's the end of the kindergarten wing, and you'll see this big void here is where the speech trailer was. Here was the walkway. It is totally torn up, and it really makes you realize the scope of our campus. A lot of people don't realize that it is 11 acres because it was underutilized, but now it is going to be used with the addition of the new multi-purpose room, cafeteria, and 7th and 8th grade buildings, which will actually be 6th, 7th, and 8th grade buildings. But I'm standing now roughly where the tree and the benches were by pickup and drop off in the bus loop area. And then right here is where the gate was kind of for the bus loop. So you can see there's an extensive amount of work done preliminarily before they begin all of the underground work and the groundwork that will begin this historic build for us. So super exciting. They did all this in a week. That's kind of crazy. Stay tuned for more.